Hi, my name is William Heck, and today I'm going to be doing my video on my appreciation inquiry and the experiment that I decided to do, which had to do with my family and communication problems that we also sometimes stumble upon, and using the 4D model in order to alleviate those stresses and create a better environment. So I personally noticed sometimes a lack of the communication, and I wanted to fix that and create a more cohesive environment. So I took a lot of notes actually from Project Aisha, which was an organization made to combat tuberculosis in India, and they used appreciative inquiry and in general had a lot better system in order to do what they wanted to do, because they had emphasis on what they wanted to achieve, and that was the reason why they had made their own organization instead of going to a new one. So I wanted to use those same goals and use the 4D model to create an environment that was more healthy and communicative to stop any mistakes and problems within my family in a positive way. So I started that by this week using a house planner and having a house schedule where we can all convene and write down what our plans are for the month, and especially this week, so we would be more in the loop of where we were, what we were doing, so it wouldn't cause any misunderstandings in our schedules. I also decided that just in general, the best way to communicate is to communicate more. That's the whole point of communicating. So I decided that my dream for us in the 4D model was to communicate more and more and check up on each other and keep us and each other updated on any changes to the scheduling or what we were doing that day. And my measure of success was lack of frustration, lack of arguments and confusion, so we could all be more positive, and that way it could also improve our performance throughout the day, where we're not stressing about certain aspects of our communication throughout the family, because we all are now more aware and communicating more. So that's exactly what we did. We stayed in contact throughout the days of the week that I had thought up this, and that was the design that we went for. And one thing that I did notice that I talked about a little earlier was just how much better our my days were able to be, because we had the schedule, because we had the communication, and we knew what was happening with everybody's day. So it worked a lot better. And so all in all, my reflection is that 4D model is very useful. The discover, dream, design, and deliver is a great way to be able to stay in touch with your goal, whether it's your family or work. And in that way, I want to use the appreciative inquiry method into my day-to-day work as well, not just with my family, because it is able to better encapsulate what goals you have for that day or for that job, and how you want to achieve said goal. And so I think it was a great success, and I want to use appreciative inquiry more and more in my life to have a more positive, benefit and goal-oriented lifestyle. So yeah, thank you.